What you're watching right now is a 65-year-old Banwarlal Jain who was suffering from mental illness, allegedly beaten to death by Dinesh Kushwaha, a husband of a former BJP corporate in Madhya Pradesh, just because he was suspicious that he was a Muslim. He constantly slaps the elder while asking him to show his Aadhaar card.
मोहम्मद मोहम्मद नाम है एक नंबर सही नाम है पर आधार कार्ड निकाल आधार कार्ड आधार कार्ड आधार कार्ड आधार कार्ड आधार कार्ड
Kushwaha is arrested, but here's what's shocking. This video was reportedly uploaded by Kushwaha himself. Uploading the video, just think the confidence he has to get away with the law. Just like so many criminals get out of custody in a week or so. This video is indeed terrifying, but you need to understand, this crime was not committed over a personal grudge or a family matter. This crime is committed to a random elderly person based over hate towards Muslim, which is increasing day by day. If we keep watching all of this without questioning, we will be no different from these emotionless goons. And it's horrifying that there are people who will comment down to this video, who will start comparing other wrong incidents done from another community, calling it a tit for tat. Please take a moment to think and understand. This particular individual has assaulted a 65-year-old random person for what reason? Because he thought he was a Muslim and his name is Muhammad? Later to only know that an innocent soul lost his life for no reason. What I'm doing right now is a duty of the Indian media, but sadly, these information will never be out by them. And with a heavy heart, I call out everyone from around the world. Whoever is watching this, India is falling apart. The mobs are taking the laws in their own hands. And I really don't know how to stop this. But if there is anything that you could do to bring peace, we could use all the help we can get. Please raise your voice and stand with us. That's it for today. Until next time.